friends, a follower has asked me to draw a Gohan drawing. I've started the sketch. I do freehand drawing and create it by observing the line image. It's not too difficult if you keep practicing. You'll get better at it. Just make sure to practice every day for at least an hour to improve your drawing skills. While sketching, I just remembered that I didn't ask you to like the drawing today. My sketch is about to be completed, so make sure to like the video. Let's hit at least 500 likes. If you're a Gohan fan, don't forget to support. Now, we're starting the shading. In shading, we'll first complete the dark shades and leave the light shades for later because shading relies on our observation skills. To improve your observation, carefully observe everything around you and focus on their shapes. If you start seeing everything in terms of shapes, you'll understand shadows better. But you'll also need to understand light. Our sketch is now complete, so next, we'll move on to watercolors. We'll start the watercolor with Gohan's shirt first. Let me remind you again, I'm a beginner artist. I upload my art on YouTube so that your comments can motivate me. A lot of you are already supporting me even though I'm still a beginner. Thank you so much for that. I hope you'll continue to support me like this. And yes, don't forget to like the video. Also, avoid using too much watercolor. And make sure the paper is of good quality so it doesn't get damaged. Now we'll color the hair. Gohan's hair is a purple shade. So we'll mix a bit of gray with purple and apply it to the hair. For the darker areas, we'll add a little more gray to cover the shadows. Now moving on to the face color. For that, we'll mix beige white and a bit of the purple mix we used earlier. The face has more details because it shows a lot of shading and different light reflections. So we'll need to work carefully and stay focused on that. The face coloring is complete. Now we'll move on to the eye color, where we'll add a bit of light pink to give it a glittery effect. After that, we'll use the black pointer just like I explained in my first video. If the pointer dries out, rub it on a second paper and use it again. The video is now complete. Let me know in the comments which part you liked the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. See you in the next video.